Hi, I welcome you all for this session. In our last session, we learned about basic concept that connects elements of supply chain management. We listed 7 business concepts. Among them, we learned about what is product development, how the new product development will take place, then how it is linked to the elements of supply chain management. In this video, we learn about order fulfillment and manufacturing process. Order fulfillment is nothing but customer satisfaction of particular products. If the customer has own orders, has more orders, then a particular retailer should keep them in stock. Hence, the production must shift from supply to demand, not from demand to supply. Therefore, the particular product should be produced only if there is a demand for particular product, and manufacturing team must suit for rapid market demand changes, and the dates and particular strategies should be made. Advanced planning should be made for all the sectors of customers. These are the main advantages and these are the main agenda of order fulfillment. There should be no customer dissatisfaction. Manufacturing team must prepare all their toolings ready according to the market changes that has been taking place. It is always constantly changing. There will be no particular constant demand. The market demand for the particular product will always be fluctuating. Next, we will see about the manufacturing processes. In the manufacturing process, we have 3 types: lot, batch, intermittent, flow or repetitive or continuous, and a project. Lot or batch intermittent. It is nothing but, as the name suggests, the production of particular components or products will take place in batches. For example, if we see that we have 9 machines, a particular product can be developed by machining it through different machines. Part A. Part A is manufactured by machine 1, 2, 5 and 6. Similarly, B and C is according to the blue and orange color. The A1 is brown color. For B it is 4, 2, 3, 5, 9 and output. These are the different type of manufacturing processes. That in a lot or batch there is no restriction for a particular part that it has to pass through a particular machine. It depends upon the customer requirement what type of operations is to be produced or is to be performed for a particular product through different machines for the raw materials. Flow line or repetitive continuous mode. In this type, there is a particular sequence of operations to be performed for getting the finished output from raw materials to finished goods. There is no deviation, but in the first type we can produce n number of variety of components at a time. In this type of process, we can produce only a single variety of component at a time. This type of manufacturing process is preferred when there is a batch quantity is very high. For the low quantity, the first type is preferred. For this high large number of quantity, this type of sequential, continuous, repetitive type of manufacturing process is preferred. Next comes the project. A project is mainly applicable for new product development. When the particular product is under first time generation or it is new developing, then this type of project type of manufacturing process is required. A particular tools to be ready to be prepared for preparing it. In this video, we learnt about order fulfillment and manufacturing processes. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe for further tutorials on supply chain management. I am Vijay R, who created this video. Thank you for watching.